Are you actually building wealth? Or are you just gambling with a fancy app on your phone? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we're diving deep into the psychology of wealth. We are moving past the noise of daily charts to learn how to actually think like an investor. By the end of this video, you'll have a mental framework to stop chasing green candles and start owning assets that generate real value. Between our deep dives at tokens.fi and the insights over at coherencedaddy.com, we've analyzed thousands of market cycles to bring you the truth about long-term gains. The gambler versus the investor. Most people enter the crypto space as traders. They look for the pump and try to time the top. But to think like an investor, you have to stop viewing a coin as a ticker symbol and start viewing it as a business or a piece of infrastructure. A gambler asks, "What is the price tomorrow?" An investor asks, "What value does this provide in 5 years?" This shift is the difference between stressing over a 10% dip and seeing that dip as a discount on a high-quality asset. Owning the infrastructure, the TX ecosystem. True wealth comes from owning the rails that the rest of the world uses. This is where we look at the TX ecosystem. Instead of betting on a random meme coin, imagine owning a piece of the blockchain that powers actual utility. When you focus on the TX ecosystem, you aren't trading a token, you're investing in a network's growth and adoption. This is the core of a professional strategy. Identify the infrastructure, verify the utility, and hold for the long term. Mastering DeFi and diversification. Now, how do you actually manage your assets in 2026? You leverage DeFi. Remember, DeFi, pronounced DeFi, isn't just for swapping tokens, it's for putting your assets to work via staking and liquidity providing. An investor doesn't just let their coins sit idle, they create cash flow from their holdings. The goal is to reach a point where your DeFi yields cover your living expenses, making you financially sovereign. The patience premium. The hardest part of learning to think like an investor is the waiting. In a world of 15-second clips and instant gratification, patience is a competitive advantage. Wealth is built in the boring periods, where you simply trust your research and your conviction. If you can't handle a 20% drop without panic selling, you aren't investing, you're just hoping. Shift your mindset from short-term gambling to long-term ownership. Focus on infrastructure, like the TX ecosystem, rather than hype. Utilize DeFi to generate passive income and build a sustainable portfolio. The market rewards those who can control their emotions and think in decades, not days. If you want to master your financial future, hit that subscribe button and join the tokens.fi community. Smash the like button if you're committed to thinking like an investor this year. Drop a comment below. Are you currently a trader or an investor? Let's discuss.